Hey everybody, Chad from Colorado Giants. I don't know why I say that every time, because as if it would actually be anybody else. Anyway, just a real quick video, no intro or anything like that. One thing that I wanted to share with you guys that I'm doing this year is I'm foliar feeding almost every day, if not every day, at least every other day. And typically what I'm using is a 2-gallon sprayer, and I use 1 gallon roughly, so I make, every 2 days I make a day worth, or every 2 days, whatever, you know what I'm saying. I'll use 2 tablespoons of CalMag, a little bit of photosynthesis plus, a little bit of Neptune's Harvest, and a little bit of Azos. I'll mix all that in there, and some Epsom salts. As of late, you can see these new leaves are not as green as the dark leaves, so just a hair of Epsom salts in there to help with the absorption of all of this in there. And then I'm actually taking the time to put this wand inside the plant, and I'm trying to get the underside of just about every leaf. I'll do this for as long as I can, because that's where the absorption of the good stuff happens, is typically underneath the leaf. On top of the leaf helps, but the magic happens on the underside. So that's a quick tip. Today's Sunday, Father's Day. Happy Father's Day to all those fathers out there. We'll have our update. I need to make last Tuesday's update and put that up probably tomorrow, and then Tuesday I'll try and get the update out on Tuesday, so then we're all caught up. But that's it, everybody. Hope you enjoyed this quick tip. Foliar feed your plants. It is important. All the cool kids do it, so you should too. See ya.